Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th and last training video about scientific reading. This is Hatice Bilgiçlim. Let's get started. By now, you completed all the videos on fundamentals of scientific reading process and additional tips to improve your process. In this video, we will discuss how to use your reading outcome for your academic goals. This is an exciting time because you actually finished the entire training on reading process, including extra tips for up-leveling for your skills. And now you are ready to use the fruits of your labor, which is a very, very exciting time. So, how do you use your reading outcome, your summary and synthesis? You start with thinking about the reason you wanted to read the first article in the first place. You may have wanted to do this for a class, your exams. Alternatively, you may have planned to use this for your writing, presentations, or to support further literature search. You can also use the outcome to design experiments if you have your own research project. For whatever reason you may be wanting it, you are completely set to achieve that because now you have all of the essential information ready at your fingertips. With this, we completed the entire scientific reading training. If you're still with me up to this point, you have done a truly amazing job. This is the path to be a very skilled scientific reader who can read easily, quickly, and confidently. So, huge congratulations. This is a wonderful place to be. Thank you for all of your attention. Please remember to use the tools available to you in this training to practice and progress. Please also keep in mind that if you have any questions, I am available to you as a resource. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can email me at haticebilgiçlim@hotmail.com or at my website, academyhbl.com. I look forward to meeting all of you at the group coaching sessions in the next coming weeks. Until then, please let me know your questions, your challenges, any additional topics you would like to see addressed. I look forward to seeing you on the live Zoom calls very, very soon. Thank you.